What's up, guys? I'm Harrison, and today I'm going to be installing and reviewing these Viking Lamellar saddlebags on my Harley Dyna Fat Bob. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get these installed. Step one is taking off these stock Harley quick release mounts. You're going to do that with your 7/32 hex head, your ratchet wrench. Let's get these back out. So step two is to get the Viking quick release setups added. For the front one, I'm just using that stock bolt with their quick release mount and a washer. Put that in there. Put some pressure on your fender so you can get it started. And then for the back one, I'm actually using that skinnier front quick release from Harley as my spacer, just so I can clear this turn signal and the Viking mount. So get those started. And then we're going to get those tightened on down. So the next step is to put your quick release brackets on. The way you know that if it's the front or the back is the slant is the side that goes in the front. There we go. So once you get that all locked in, you're going to want to tighten these Phillips head screws under here with your screwdriver. And you can take it back off the bike. Okay, so once you've gotten your quick release mounts all set up, taken off the bike, you're going to want to mock these up to the bags. I've determined that this higher line on the bag is where I want the top of it to be mounted to the quick release. So you're going to take out these screws. Put your bracket on right where you like it, and you're going to mark where all your holes need to be drilled. So now I'm just going to mark out where all my holes need to be drilled, making sure everything's straight before I mark anything. Next step is to just drill your holes into the bag. Make sure everything's where you like it. You can't undo this step. So the next step, once you have all your hardware punched through and mocked up, is to just take a split ring, a washer, and a nut, and just get everything is fully bolted down. So this will be using your 13mm socket and your Phillips head screwdriver. So once you have finished getting everything bolted up, it just drops on your bike as simply as this. Bam, on, turn the key, lock it in, your bags are mounted and you can go ride. So I just want to take a moment to share my thoughts on these Viking Lamellar bags, as well as the quick release system that we just installed. Right out of the box, it felt like a super high quality fiberglass bag, nice gloss paint job, reflectors for safety, all the latches are very high quality, ease of installation, I like that on the inside there are some pouches. You can put things like keys. If you don't want them, they're Velcro removable. And then another feature I also wanted to note on these bags is their lock. The bags themselves lock, as well as the quick release system locks. So you don't have to worry about having anything getting stolen out of these bags. If you're in a place you feel like you need to lock up your valuables, you can absolutely do that with these. They're hard, so you're not going to have to worry about anyone cutting into them like a canvas bag that locks. Overall, awesome bag, and I'm excited to put some miles on these, put them to the test.